Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 88. Three more than 8 times a number x is equal to 83. Which equation represents this situation? So we have a few keywords. 3 more than. Okay, so we have more than is additions. Time mean multiplications. Equal is equal is mean equivalent to. So how we write this one down? So we have 3 more than, so add a times x is ax that equal to 83. So 3 add a times x equal 83. So 3 times a is not. So this one already write down which one is the left hand side, which one is the right hand side of the equations. So 3 more than a times a number x, that is your left hand side. In the front is your left hand side equal the right hand side. Okay, so we have this one. D is the right answer. 3 more than is you have like ax and 3 more. It's not 3 times x. Okay, so not C. Then we have ax here. If we subtract 3 both sides, you see this one become ax minus 3 equal 83. It's not the same as we have ax and 3 more. This one ax, then you reduce 3 in this case. So it's not B. D is the right answer. So for those questions, it's easy if we learn about how the wording convert to mathematical equations or notations. So on the right side, we have some of the example. For the sum mean adding. Okay, so those are the keywords we have to know. This is how we convert it, how we translate it from the keywords into the algebraic functions or notations. Twice here, we also usually will know a word of double. Double mean twice, mean multiply by 2. Triple mean multiply by 3. Or something like quarter is 1/4. Half mean divide by 2. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.